Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get and activate an insurance offer through the Shopee app. So this feature is helpful because Shopee provides several insurance options in one place, making it easier to explore the coverage that may suit your needs. So to begin, open the Shopee app and make sure you are signed in to your account. And once the home screen appears, tap the Me section located in the bottom right corner. And from there, scroll down until you find Financial Services and then tap See More to view the available options. On the next page, select Explore and you should now see different services including comprehensive car insurance, CTPL car insurance, motorcycle insurance, accident insurance, health insurance, savings, and life insurance. So simply look through the choices and select the insurance offer you want to activate. So for this example, choose the free 10,000 personal accident insurance, and after opening the offer, carefully review the information shown on the screen. Once you have read and agreed to the terms and conditions, tap Redeem Now, and then the insurance offer should be then successfully redeemed and activated. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.